Good morning to everyone. How are you? I hope all will be well. Today we are going to start chapter 5 division part 5. Okay. Today we will read about dividing two digit number by one digit number. Okay. So listen. Today we will discuss about without remainder divide. Okay. So let's start. I have given example here, divide 20 by 5. First of all student, in our previous lecture I told to you ki what is divisor, what is quotient and what is dividend. But again I am telling to you. Okay. So listen beta. This digit is, we will say divisor. We will put that place. Okay. And this digit we will put inside of that sign, we will say dividend. Okay. Those answer we will get from this question, we will say quotient. We will say quotient. Okay. So let's start. We will speak table of 5 till in which number we will get 20. So do you know 5 4s are 20. We will say 5 4s are 20. So we will put 4 is your answer and answer is your quotient. So we will put 20 here. Okay. And after that we will draw line. Got it? And we will put here subtraction sign. And we will subtract that digit 0 0 0 0 and 2 minus 2 we will say 0. So you didn't get any remainder? Yes or no? So that is your question without remainder. Okay. That is your first question. And we can do that type of question two type. And we can do that type, we can do that type. Again, you have dividend 20 and you have divisor 5. Okay. So we will speak table of 5. In which number we will get 20? 4 is your quotient. Quotient is your answer. Okay. So I am writing here, that is your quotient and that is your divisor and that is your dividend. Got it beta? Got it? Okay. I am telling one example more. Suppose I am giving you that type of question. That is, got it? So first of all listen student, keep things in your mind. Do you know this one is ones and this one is tens. Okay. In addition, subtraction and multiplication, from where did you start? We start from ones place. We start from ones place like this type. Yes, I am just like this type. I have given that type, that is your addition, and I have given that type, that is your subtraction, and I have given one example more. This is the example of multiply. Okay. Yes. Do you know from where did you start? Ones, tens, ones, tens, tens. From where did you start? You start from ones place. Yes or no? Yes. We start from one place. Here like this type 16, 1 carry here, 3 to cut 3 here, 4 to the 8. From where did you start? We start from ones place. But beta listen, in division we will start from that place. Okay. Not we will start from ones place, we will start from that place. Okay. Got it? Yes or no? Yes. So now we will speak table of 4. In which number we will get 4? Speak up. 4 1 ja 4. 1. So now that 1 is your quotient and that 4 we will put here. 1 ja. Okay. 1 ja. And now we will put underline. Got it? We will cut 4 from 4. Which what will you get? We will get 0. Okay. That complete is your first. Okay. Now we will draw that type of arrow. Okay. And we will put 8 here in front of that number. Now we will put again in this table 8 has come, not come. So no, listen. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So in which number 8 has come? This is your 2. So now we will put 2 here and we will put 4 2 ja 8. We will put here. Again we will put subtraction sign and we will do that time. Okay. And you have 8 toffee, you have written 8 toffee. How many toffee do you have? Nothing. So we will get 0. That is your second division. Got it? Do you have any problem? No one has? Doesn't matter. I am giving one example more. like this type I have given that type. Okay, so again we will speak. So again we will speak table of 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Okay, now that suppose listen, in 5 table, yes, in 5 table 5 has come, yes, come. So now I told to you कि from where did you start? We will start from here. यहाँ से start करेंगे हम. Okay, now in which number 5 come? 1 ja 5, 1 ja 5. Got it? Yes or no? Got it. So now that we will put subtraction sign, we will subtract. What did you get? You get 0. Okay, now again we will take that digit and we will put in front of that digit. Got it? So we will put again 5 1 ja 5. So that 5 0 ja 0 and 0 0 ja, you didn't get any remainder. So that is question is without remainder division. Okay, got it? Now again I am telling one example more. 4 divided by 84 again. So first of all we will write table of 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. Okay, now that we will take, first of all we will take ones number. Okay, we will take ones number. Listen, 4 table, which number you will get 8? 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 4 2 ja. So now we will put here 2 and we will put here 4 2 ja. Which number will you get? Did you get? You get 8. So here we put 8. Okay, now after that we will put subtraction sign. Then 8, you will cut 8 from 8. What will you get? You will get 0. Okay, now we will take 4 from that number. We will speak table of 4. 4 in which number will you get? You will get 4 1 ja. What will you get? You will get 4. Okay, now we will subtract again, that is 0. Okay beta, this is your division without remainder. Got it? Okay, now you have to do in your fair notebook exercise 6. Solve the following. You have to do all question in your notebook with good handwriting. Okay beta, thank you and have a nice day.